Hi friends, welcome to my new video. My name is Deepak. Today I am having a question for all of you. How do you test the divisibility of a huge number? Say 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit or 6 digit or even more bigger. Today I'm going to give you a simple technique of finding the divisibility of numbers that are related with 2, 4 and 8. Let's check it out. How do you find that whether a provided number is divisible with 2? Well, it's quite easy. Any number that ends with the following numbers as 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 are basically divisible with 2. In simple terms, all even numbers are divisible with 2. So it's very easy. Now, how do you find the divisibility of 4? Well, it's quite easy. However big the number be, you have to take the last two digits, that is, the unit number and the tens number into consideration. So if you consider those two numbers as a single number, it must be divisible with 4, or it must be ending in two zeros. Whatever the case it be, the number entirely will be divisible with 4. For example, imagine a number, how huge it be, it ends in 48, that number will be divisible with 4. Or imagine a number 18700 will definitely be divisible with 4 because it ends in two zeros. So definitely that number is also divisible with 4. Now let's take the case of 8. Well, it is similar to the case of 4 with a small difference. In 4, we have taken the last two digits of any big number, but for 8, you have to take the last three digits into consideration. That are the unit number, the tens number, and the hundreds number. Imagine a number that ends with 512. That number will definitely be divisible with 8 because 512 is divisible with 8. Or imagine a number that ends with 000 is also divisible with 8 because any number ending with three zeros should be divisible with 8. Okay friends, so now let's test the divisibility of the numbers 2, 4 and 8 on this particular number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So imagine it's a 6-digit number. We need to find the divisibility of 2, 4 and 8 on this number. So if you want to test the divisibility of 2, as I said, you need to consider the last digit, whether it's an even number falling in 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. As you can see, the number ends in a 6, so it's definitely divisible with 2. Now in the case of 4, as I told you, you need to consider the last two digit of the number. So how big the number be, you should always consider the last two number, and you should take this number as a single number. So let's imagine whether 56 is divisible with 4. Well, you should know that 56 is 4 into 14. So definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is divisible with 4. Now the last case is whether this number is divisible with 8. So as I told you earlier, the last three digits are to be taken into consideration. So basically the last three digits in this number is 4, 5 and 6, which means is 456 divisible with 8. So let's check whether 456 is divisible with 8. As you can see here, this number is also divisible with 8 because you get a remainder 0. So definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is also divisible with 8. So this number is divisible with 2, 4 and 8. I hope that you have understood the concept of this video, and we will soon meet with a new video. Until then, thank you. Bye-bye.